Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a micro account in XM Trading. And for this, first of all, log in with your account, and then after this we can click here on the demo option where you see the amount. Then from here we can create a real account or a demo account. So let's say we want to create a demo account. Then you click here on plus and then choose the one you want. So let's say we want a demo account. Then we click on demo account and then we select the MT5. Then let's say we want the ultra low standard. You can change here the leverage, the base currency, the investment amount, and your account name. So right now, if you do continue, we need to give them or set a password for your trading account. So we will do that. Right now we can save it, but I don't want that, so we do never. And now if you click here on this, we have a new ultra low standard account right here with the MT5. And this is how you can open a micro account in XM Trading. So hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.